Hi there. My name is Sandra Campbell, and I'm a creative writer, actor, and language instructor, and I want to share some information on how to get your self-published books available on e-readers. And for those of you who aren't familiar what an e-reader is, it's basically an electronic device that will allow you to read a book anywhere on the go, like iPad or Kindle or the Nook. So here's some places where you can make your self-published books available on e-readers. First up is Lulu.com. Lulu.com is a free online publishing platform that will allow you to turn your manuscript into an electronic publication that will be available for most e-readers. I used it to self-publish my own book as a digital download and as an electronic book. They have a great guide that will walk you through the process of how to get your manuscript in the right format so that it will be available on e-readers. So try it out, and it's free. Next up is Smashwords.com, another free online publishing platform. They publish in iBookstores in 32 countries, and they will make your self-published book available on most e-readers in the market as well. Now, the only thing is you have to take a little bit of extra time to format your manuscript, and they have a great guide that will walk you through the process as well. Now, if you still can't format your manuscript, they have a list of people on site that will format it for you at a reasonable price. Last but not least is Amazon's CreateSpace. Publishing your book through the Kindle publishing platform is free as well, and they will make your self-published book available on all e-readers on the market. So I hope you enjoyed those tips. It's very easy, as you can see, to get your self-published book available on e-readers. Just get out there and get it done. Have fun, keep writing.